Good morning and welcome back. Keeping on the same vibe of being healthy. It's important to keep healthy during the cough and cold season that is winter here in Fargo. But there are many options to choose from for your healthcare provider, and we have Dr. Stephanie with Amend Healthcare. So do you want to tell us about Amend Healthcare?
Absolutely. So I decided to go into independent private practice after nearly 20 years of working in healthcare. I worked in different roles and through different organizations and just started to notice a gap in our healthcare and listen to patients talk about their desire to have more time with their provider, feel like they're really a valued patient and not just a number. And then also to feel like their provider is really listening on a more comprehensive level. So obviously as a provider, those are all the things that I want to fulfill. And having experienced healthcare as both a patient and a mom, that was really important to me. I also was fortunate enough to have a number of entrepreneurs in my life in both healthcare and in other business areas that have inspired me and pushed me to move forward.
Yeah, wow. And I think that's so huge that you say, like, when patients want to have someone that is actually listening to them and like talking to them and understanding, because I feel like a lot of providers use those big words and then it's just like not in layman's terms, I'm not understanding what's going on here. So I think that's huge. So how long has Amend Healthcare been in business?
Well, we just opened our doors a couple of weeks ago and kind of getting on the lines of what we offer and those types of things. Family medicine is a branch of medicine that focuses on the individual and the family and primary care and prevention. Therefore, we offer men's and women's health, well child exams, adult physicals, sports physicals, pre-op exams, mental health visits, pretty much anything you could could need. We also offer acute visits, so the common cold, we talked about that kind of being the season. Colds, aches, pains, small lacerations, anything like that is welcome to be seen in our clinic.
Yeah, of course. So what age range do you guys serve?
I serve all ages, so newborn on up. I really enjoy caring for entire families. So if I get the chance to care for a child and their parents and their grandparents, that's really enjoyable for me. Sometimes family medicine refers to a group or a family, but I also love to care for families of one. So if you're an individual who's looking for primary care, I'm happy to see you too.
Yeah, that's wonderful. So I know you kind of went into the services that you offer. So if you want to go over those once again, and then also like how you stand out from other healthcare providers.
Absolutely. So, you know, your basic routine healthcare visits, such as the well child and the adult physicals, like I mentioned. I also do Botox for TMJ and chronic migraines.
Oh, wow.
So we work with your insurance companies to determine your coverage and then determine a plan to help reduce your pain and discomfort. Really just anything you could need from us. We have noticed since COVID-19 that a lot of the preventative care has kind of been put on the back burner. So we're really encouraging patients, especially families, that if they haven't been in a little while, to give us a call and we'll ensure that they're up to date on immunizations and routine cancer screenings.
All right, beautiful. So how can people get a hold of you?
Well, you can get a hold of us on our website, amendhealthcare.com. You can schedule an appointment there. You can also contact us from that website. You can also call us at 701-532-1215.
All right, perfect. Well, thank you so much, Stephanie, for joining us on the couch this morning and telling us all about Amend Healthcare. It was great. So coming up on today's show, crafts made with love make for the best holiday gifts, and we'll show you where and what you can make this season.